So now we're reviewing the Keto BHB product. Keto BHB is a weight loss supplement that may help in increasing metabolism. It promises to reduce obesity and make your body slim and trim within a few weeks. This product website promises to burn unwanted fats in the body. It may decrease hunger and appetite. But if you are interested in a ketosis diet supplement, I'd like to introduce a keto supplement called Keto Advanced, which gives you amazing results as compared to Keto Boost. I personally use these products and I don't need any kind of supplement anymore. It's a 100% risk-free product with money-back guarantee. After a few minutes, I will show you some of my before and after results using these Keto Advanced supplements. This is the Keto Advanced Weight Loss Supplement. Now, this is for people that are either going to go on a keto diet and they want to reach a state of ketosis much faster, because when you are in a state of keto, that means your body is burning all of the fats stored inside your body, rather than burning all the carbs you're eating day to day. And once you do that, you lose weight much, much faster in a much more effective way, in a way that you can keep off the weight for much longer. But it also has the benefits of giving you a feeling of much more energy. It helps your cognitive functioning, so your brain. It also helps with things like body inflammation, and a variety of people with chronic illnesses also go on the keto diet. There are so many different benefits, but sometimes getting to the state of ketosis, which is where the body is burning fat stores, is a little bit difficult. Now, this is a product that can help you get there faster. So this is a supplement which contains BHB. Now, BHB stands for Beta-Hydroxybutyrate, and this is basically a salt which helps your body reach a state of ketosis much, much faster. It's a fat-burning product that speeds up the entire process. So it's great if you're on the keto diet, but also if you're not on the diet and you've just eaten too much. Well, it can really counteract the effects of the extra food you've had, supposedly, and it'll give you lots of energy and make you feel good in yourself as well. If you would like to give this a try, then you can click on the link in the description below for a special limited discount. And this is a risk-free product and delivered all over the world quickly, meaning you can get your money back if you are not happy with it. And as well as that, it is a completely natural product, which is the other thing here. 100% all natural, pure keto formula. So it could be worth a try, that's for sure. The keto supplements have been mentioned on Shark Tank, or if not this one, then some like this, so I've been told. So check out Shark Tank and their episode on the keto products. And again, this contains the BHB, which gives you that instant fat-burning solution the natural way. Gets your body into a state of ketosis. Take a look at some of the people here that have been taking these kind of keto supplements. And you can see before and after shots here. So you can see that this burns fat in the places where you want to actually burn the fats in the hard-to-reach places. Especially for women, once you've fed the babies and you store that fat around the pooch, then this can really help you with that. So get your risk-free bottle of all natural keto products. Click in the link below. And here's just a little bit of information why diets generally fail. And as you know, if you've ever tried to diet a traditional diet, then as soon as the diet stops working, you pile the fat back on, rather than the ketosis diet, which burns fat for energy, rather than burning carbs, which is just very temporary. So that's a little bit about how it works. This is the 30-day ketosis supplement, and you can get it today. It will help you lose weight, burn fat, get into ketosis fast and burn fat for energy. So get more energy without the jitters, better brain health, faster recovery from exercise, and maintain lean muscle. Here is how I used the Keto Advanced supplement. Took 2 capsules daily before breakfast with a glass of warm water or lemon water. Also, take a proper keto-friendly diet and do exercise daily if possible. So this is one of my previous pictures when I was too fat and very uncomfortable to wear any kind of dress. And here is the recent picture of me after losing too much fat using Keto Advanced supplement. What I did was just take 2 capsules before breakfast with a glass of warm water and take a proper keto-friendly diet and do a 10-minute of running every day. If you would like to give this a try, then you can click on the link in the description below for a special limited discount, and this is a risk-free product. You get this as a 30-day, 90-day, or 150-day kit too. And by the way, if you are on the keto diet, you know the keto flu, which you might have experienced, which is that feeling of detox where the body is changing the habit of a lifetime, basically switching to burning fats rather than carbs, making you feel a little bit groggy before you get into that state of ketosis. So this product can help you with that phase, to cut out that phase almost entirely or partly and just make you feel a bit better. So it's worth a try. This is Keto Advanced. Good luck.